Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the number 9. Amazing! This one is the right odd one. Can you find the odd bike emoji within time? This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Find the odd letter OU. Good job. This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 68. Good job. You identify the right number. Puzzle master can find the odd letter. Amazing, you are a puzzle master. Genius can find the odd Supergirl. Good job, this one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find the number 82. This one is difficult, but you find it. Can you find the unique letter within given time? That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 92 plus 62 minus 52 divide by 2. That one is the right answer. Focus master can find the number 75. Good job, you are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. Find the odd emoji within time. That's one, the odd emoji. Find the odd number 594. Great job, you find it within given time. Can you find the odd letter RUK? Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. Anybody can find the odd emoji. Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different, can you find it? Great job, this one is the different letter. Can you find the number 121? That's one, the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 6 multiply 5 plus 25 divide by 2. The right answer give me in the comment box. Can you find the letter CHT? You find the correct letter. Genius, can find the number 552. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. You faster than a computer, find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd emoji. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. eyes test. Find the number 255. Anybody can find the odd letter. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Two exciting level done, hard level start. One emoji is different. Can you find it? Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Can you see it, the odd letter? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brand test, find the number 4000. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Brand teaser, find the odd number. The last one, can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.